Okay, people, I am back. Got this up and running. Gonna be quiet for now. Gonna try to, so you can hear. To me, that's super quiet. I mean, I love the design. Press English. Okay, let's go back. So this has built-in Wi-Fi, which I think is very awesome. Saves actually $100. I'm actually kind of very pissed off that they didn't do this in the first place. Like the PS3. As you can see, I have one of the old fat PS3s. That's actually the best version of it. It has 4 USB ports and PS2 compatibility, but we're not going to talk about this today. So, this is the review of the Xbox 360 Halo Reach console. It's very limited edition. If you already have the slim version of it, it's not worth upgrading. I never had the slim version. Was kind of waiting for this one since I love consoles with special designs on it. I don't know why. But this console is very awesome. I do have the Kinect on pre-order. I think that's very awesome looking. We'll review that when it gets out. So, I don't know, I might do a review of Halo Reach. We'll see. So, see you next time. Nick Becker here.